Gorgeous Car Detailers. It's very nearby to my house in Langar House, and so Anthony Bhai here had gotten in touch with me on Facebook a few days ago to get my bike ceramic coated, and as you can see, the bike's being done up here. This is Anthony Bhai's wife, Mary. Please say hi to my subscriber.
Hello everybody. This is Mary from Gorgeous Car Detailers. Here we are doing Kawasaki paint protection ceramic coating.
So currently my bike is standing right there. As you can see, the wrap has been removed and I'm showing it without a wrap after ages. This got washed around. So now the ceramic coating is going to start. I'll put up a time lapse as well. So as usual, the links and everything is down there in the description below for this place. And I wasn't really aware that anyone else was also doing this in Hyderabad. There are a couple of people who do it. But when I got to know, when Bhai got in touch with me, I immediately came down, and now I'll be explaining the process as well and how it's going to go. So there's going to be basically a ceramic coating on top of the bike. And also, Mary here deals in all imported cars and
Yeah, we do take care of pre-owned luxury cars and super bikes. So if you have any requirement, get in touch with us.
for sure. So all the details will be in the description. So without further ado, let's just go ahead. As soon as the bike dries up, we're going to start up with the coating process. So as you can see, the coating has just begun. The first layer, we've applied little white cream kind of thing on it, and they're rubbing it currently. So now the first and the second stage is done. As you can see, the bike looks squeaky clean. All the scratches have been removed as well. And now we are applying the ceramic. It smells kind of like betadine and those medical solutions. And I'm told that you have to wear a mask while applying it because it evaporates, is it? Creating irritation in the eyes or
Some people it will not skin problem.
some people can get skin allergies as well, so has to be done very carefully. So let's wait it out and see how it looks. You can see the tank is almost done, shining very bright. Once the whole bike is done, we'll be doing a cinematic view, and we are also spraying it on the discs and around the alloy. इमीडिएट ड्राई हो जाता है ये? अच्छा 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 इमीडिएटली हार्डन हो जाएगा हवा लगता है. So as soon as it gets in contact with air, it just dries up and becomes hard. I don't know if video is doing it proper justice, but my tank looks basically better than a new tank. Shines. So it's a very tedious process. Basically, we have to constantly keep cleaning and reapplying the coat, and it has a life of around roughly 3 to 5 years. So once you get the ceramic coating done, अगले 3-4-5 साल तक आपको फुर्सत है. And the best part is the coating is hydrophobic, so that also I'll be showing it to you in a moment. For example, if you just pour water on it, पानी रुकता नहीं, it just slides off like you've seen in a lot of videos on Facebook and Instagram. So we'll be doing that also in a moment once the whole bike is done.
Years later.
So there's my RX, which is done and ready, and I'll be making a video soon. There's just some little bit of things that have to be done, so once they're done. And here is the Kawasaki with the ceramic coating. It's been 10 days since it's been done. So Roger said that around for the next 5 to 10 days after you do the coating, water is not supposed to get onto the bike, so you're supposed to keep it dry. Now this coating feels really smooth, like when you touch it, and it's hydrophobic. So let me just demonstrate that to you. The bike's a bit dirty. So as you can see, the water doesn't stay and stick to the bike, it just slides off. So that makes it easier to clean it. Even dust doesn't cling, so it's very easy to clean the bike. It's not gonna leave some stains when you like rub it with a cloth. So a lot of people do this ceramic coating here. Let's just close the bottle. But Roger here gave me the best price, and he's by far the cheapest when it comes to cost than all the others. So as usual, his link and everything is down there in the description below, so you guys can go ahead, contact him for all the price and his location and all the other details. So thank you for watching, and bye bye. Lexi, subscribers ko hello bolo. Subscribers ko hello bolo, Lexi.